Welcome again to Miss Valrie Can Help. This is my makeshift bucket. I don't have a real wine bucket, so I use a jug to be my wine bucket. I have my white wine glass. This is the fastest way to get it chill, because if you don't put your wine glasses in the fridge to let it chill, you can just add some water with ice and just stir it around. Do it like this, and then your glass is chilled. See, you have a chilled glass. My white wine is in my bucket, and I'm assuming that I have a customer right there. So my customer ordered a bottle of white wine. So you bring your white wine glass and you put it down. If it is 4 persons, then you have 4 chill glasses. You drop off the glasses to each person, and then you come back to the person that ordered the wine, and then with his chill glass that is there, you're going to take the bottle from the bucket and you're going to display, show him the wine that he ordered so he sees that it's the correct one. Okay? And then you're going to open. And here is his chill glass, or whoever it may be. I'm going to take the... Some people just cut the hedge around like this, but I like to take the whole thing off. So I take my whole thing off, and then I'm going to open my wine. Because it's a white wine, I won't do it like the red wine, okay? However, when I'm finished pouring, you'll notice what I do with my napkin. All right, so I'm going to open my white wine. Take the cork off. For this one, you don't leave it out to here because it's white wine, so you don't want to kill the wine. Okay. I'm going to use my napkin, and I'm going to fold it the other way. All right, and I'm going to pour for tasting so they can taste. The person will spin it as usual, take a taste of it, and then nod to you, said okay. Then you go around and then you pour to the other 3 persons, and you come back to him or her, whoever, because sometimes it's 4 ladies, go out for dinner or whoever it may be. So you just come back to the person that ordered, which is the last person that you gave the wine to, and then you pour that person some more wine, and then you do that. Then you take your napkin off and you put your bottle in your wine bucket, and you're going to put the cork back in here so it keeps your wine. And then you use a napkin and you put over your wine like that, so you keep your wine keeping cool. All right, and then take it off again, bring it out, take this off again, do your pouring around, and if any is left, you put it back like this and you sink it back in your bucket. Okay, and then you put this over so it keeps like that. Thanks guys for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Miss Valrie Can Help. Thank you.